Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DiPaolo here, fired up and grateful for another day to be able to come and share with you some of these golden nuggets I'm learning that are helping me, and I know they'll help you. A couple of reasons why we shoot videos, guys, is one is to add value, right? Add value to the marketplace. Build rapport on your social media sites, right? Um, Sharpen your communication tools. That's real big, right? Every day, if you practice over and over, you're going to get better. Lead by example, right? Don't expect people to do what you're not willing to do. So when you ask somebody to do that, make sure you're doing it. Build rapport with your email list. That's really big, guys, right? Building rapport with your email list because you can take this video and put this in your email list, and then people are going to. Now, the more that you do that, right, you put it in your email list, and the more that you come on social media, people are going to know, like, and trust you because they're going to see you every day adding value, right? Make it easy for people to consume. The product and service that I provide, right, helps any business from anywhere in the world to market their product or service to anywhere for the price of a pizza, guys, with two toppings. Um, and the last thing is to be persistent and consistent and realize when you do this, you're not going to be perfect. Just fail forward. People love to follow people that are new and up and coming. And so that's my tip for you today. I love you. I appreciate you. If you align with any of the things that I'm talking about, check the link out in my bio, and I'll look forward to talking to you. If you hear that bird in the background, that is my bird. Every time I shoot a video, she starts talking. So as always, do something good for somebody else, and the space of knowing they can't repay you. Have a blessed day.